All right, number 8 is a whole bunch of true and false sections or questions. Now, the thing you want to notice about all of these with in each of them, the first 1, 2, 3, 4 are all about our quadrilateral hierarchy, which is why I went ahead and drew my hierarchy over here so we could make sure we knew what was going on with it. Now, the last one is about triangles and quadrilaterals, and we'll come to that one as we get there. The first one says that all squares are rectangles. Well, remember that a rectangle is a parallelogram with 90-degree angles, and a square also fits that definitions. Since the square is a child of the rectangle on the hierarchy, then, well, it's all squares are rectangles because the square is a child of a rectangle. So that one is true. Now, all rectangles are parallelograms. Well, we just talked about that. The rectangle is a parallelogram with right angles. And so therefore, yes, all rectangles are parallelograms. Now, all rhombi are squares. Well, it is true that a square is a rhombus with 90-degree angles, but it's not true that all rhombuses are squares. See, a rhombus can be a square if it has a 90-degree angle, but all it takes is one of these angles not being 90 degrees, and therefore they're all not 90 degrees. So no, that one is false. Now, all trapezoids are parallelograms. Well, I mean, a trapezoid has one set of parallel sides, whereas a parallelogram has two. So a trapezoid cannot be a parallelogram, which is why it's on its own branch of the hierarchy over here. So that one is false. And the last one, part 5, all triangles are quadrilaterals. Well, triangles have 3 sides. Quadrilaterals have 4 sides. And so, no, triangles cannot be quadrilaterals because they do not have 4 sides. So that one is false.